Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to generate random number in Python. We can do this using module random. You can use module random to generate random number. Using import random, you can import the module in your project. There are two functions available to generate random number. First function is random. Second function is random int. First random function. The function random generates a random number between 0 and 1. How to use this function? Import random. Print random dot call random method random. The output you will get is between 0 and 1, like 0.56455 or 0.4566. Now, second function, rand int. Syntax to use this function is rand int start, end. Parameter start and end, both of them should be integer type value. And this function returns a random integer within the given range as parameter. How to use this function now? Consider a scenario when you want to find a random number between 1 and 15 or 1 and 100. So for 1 and 50, we will write the program import random, print random dot rand int. You will provide the range like 1 to 50. Output you will get is between 1 and 50, either 20 or 33, etc. You can provide any range like 2, 200, 4, 200. Thank you for watching.